So the question is, how do we recognize geopathic stress patterns? There is a lot of signs in nature, for example. Very typically, trees do not grow well on geopathic stress. So if you've seen trees which grow crippled, which have some kind of cancerous looking bark, or split up, sometimes evergreen trees, spruce trees with 2 or 3 tips, that's typical signs that the tree is not happy at the spot where it grows. Also a lot of fruit trees, apple trees sometimes grow sideways before they finally reach upwards. Or palm trees, you can see this sometimes, they grow horizontally before they turn over and grow upwards. Plants are one of the signs, but big reaction comes also from the animal kingdom. Any insects usually are attracted to geopathic stress. So very typically ants, bees, even ladybugs. So if somebody has a problem with ants in the house, it's a typical sign that something is wrong with the energy, because the ants always follow geopathic lines. The geopathic energy is not a good or bad energy if you wanna categorize it this way. It's just an energy which supports the degradation and the deterioration, and this is what ants do. They clean up the place, so this is why they like it. Bee hives are very often on crossings of water lines or on earth grid crossings, because bees give more honey. This is why a lot of bee people know how to dowse, just to put their hive in a good spot so they would produce more honey. Another very well-known story among dowsers is the story of cats and dogs. Cats are pretty much the only bigger animals who are attracted to geopathic stress. So if the cat loves your bed, that's something to be suspicious about, at least, to say it. Dogs really do not like those patterns, and most other animals don't either. So horses, cows, pigs, sheep usually get sick or easily unbalanced on such places. So if your cow is always sick at a specific spot, just try to move it to a different part of the stable. The same with horses and most of the other animals.